who is a co-founder and the CPO, which is Chief Product Officer, if you don't know, of the HeyGen product. He is going to be sharing some. He's going to be sharing some information on one of our latest features. And right now, we're going to get a little background. So, hi, Wayne. How are you?
Good, good. How are you? Thanks for the intro, Kate. Very good
Of
to be here.
course. Thank you. Well, I'm excited to talk to you. We've only ever spoken one other time, so I talk to you all the time on chat, but never in
Hmm.
person.
Right.
So I'm really interested. Of course, you're the chief product officer, and the features and everything you kind of create them along with the team. Um, what is your background? Where did you come from? Where did you go to school? How did you meet Josh? And how did HeyGen come to be?
Yeah, thanks for the question. So I'll start with a brief kind of history of myself, and then more so on like the history of me and Josh and the whole company.
Great.
So I actually started working on, programming, like algorithm, computer stuff in high school due to interest, where I got pretty interested. So I went to a decent kind of computer undergrad in Shanghai with Josh. We were in the same school and also
Mhm.
both studying computer science stuff. That's where we met. And doing undergrad, I developed some interest into building products. I remember it was the year of iPhone, which was
Mhm.
pretty amazing. The iPhone 4 came out. I bought one of them, and I thought I could potentially be making some stuff for that because I was having an interesting problem where I was basically spending too much money from my parents, but I didn't know how to explain to them. So I figured that if I could have a tool to kind of help me keep track of like how I spend, and I can show this to my parents so that I didn't spend like randomly, right? But there was no app yet on the App Store when iPhone 4 came out, and I thought, okay, I'm a science student. I'm pretty good at this. I should be able to come up with something. So I learned about programming for iPhone, and I tried to build an app myself. I was totally, thinking as an engineer back then, but I also definitely developed and designed and developed the app. I wasn't a designer yet, uh, but I was lucky to get like a WWDC student scholarship that year after
Mhm.
my app was shipped. So I was invited to San Francisco to join the year of Tim Cook's first show
Oh, wow.
in WWDC 12. So I was really amazed when I see those professional apps that like the App of the Year, Apple Design Awards, and looking back at my kind of you know cheesy kind of crappy app I made by myself, I was like, how come I could make such a stuff, right? But I also
Awesome.
realized that I did the product design and the thinking, the user exploration myself, and I really enjoyed that. So after undergrad, uh, we went to the United States for grad school, and
Mhm.
I was lucky to got into the Master of Human Computer Interaction in Carnegie Mellon, which was one of the best program in terms of software or internet product design
Yeah,
program. And it
for
was
sure.
funny that Josh went to CMU as well, but still in the tech direction. So we were both, schoolmates and in undergrad and grad school,
Mhm.
right? And it was a pretty intense year of the grad school. Like both of us were really busy. We didn't really even get to talk to each other that much. After graduating from there, like we both went to West Coast to start our job there.
Mhm.
He went to Snapchat as one of the really early employees, as he might have introduced earlier. And I went
Yeah.
to another startup called Smule in San Francisco, which
Mhm.
was maybe some people know if you like to sing. It was kind of a musical social product where people sing with their friends online and doing duets together and save them as recordings. It was pretty good,
Fun.
very interesting. Yeah, I was the product designer for that app. So when I started working, I was no longer a developer. I was more like a starting from like the designer angle.
Nice.
Yeah, so both of us stayed in our first startup company for quite a few years, and we started chatting a lot. Actually, he was in Los Angeles and I was in San Francisco, but both of our companies were, about users creating content, how they share, how they enjoy consuming each other's content, despite
Mhm.
how painful or difficult it was. So we started kind of thinking and discussing a lot about um, why users love content that much, despite how difficult it is. Like I was once um, spending time with one of our users. I saw him taking like 8 hours out of the day just to create one perfect singing recording for her friends on the app, which was kind of crazy. Like he
Wow.
didn't even eat. So I shared that story with Josh. It's like there's some magical stuff in there in terms of content to the users, right?
Mhm.
And the technology is getting better every day. There's mobile phone, there's mobile camera. People can see into their phones,
Yep.
but they're still having so much problem with content creation. There must be something to be figured out. So we continue those talks like over the years. Also about companies, about our career path, and both of us wanted to start a company someday. Very early on, we had that idea. So after like 5 or 6 years of working at different companies, we started kind of discussing, okay, how can we start something? How can we build something that really matters
Mhm.
and have huge impact? And then it was the year where Snapchat launched their camera filter, which turns people, into their baby face. I think it was pretty famous when people were trying that. It was one of the, first industrial attempt of using generative AI very early on, like back in 17 or 18. And
Yeah.
Josh was part of that. So we noticed generative AI for like um, pretty early on comparing to many people. And the more we research and we try that, the more we think it was the one we've been discussing over the years, and the revolutionary, um, magic key to content creation, you know, totally disrupt how people create content in a good way to help, people easily create high quality content in their mind. They don't need to learn any special skills or tools.
Mhm.
So we started kind of seriously trying that, and we were able to come up with some small apps and demos, and to try to see how generative AI technology can be implemented and productized for some part of the users. So we
Mhm.
took this demo to some investors, and they were really interested. So we quitted our job and started the company in 2020, and have
Mhm.
been working on generative AI, the technology, the products, everything there. And after some exploration, we built HeyGen. We launched this product later last year, like in July or August, and it has been growing really good. Like after some explorations of our previous years, thinking and lots of hard work, I think we've found a space where um, our technology and the product really matters, and we also
Mhm.
cares about the creators that we're building tools for. So it's been a really meaningful journey, but also it's only the start, and there's so much that we are going to build and going to bring about. So I can be more excited about what we're gonna do in the next 2 to 3 or 5 years.
Yeah, I mean, it is really exciting, and it's crazy how generative AI has exploded. I feel like in the last 6 to 9 months, it's crazy. It's all you hear
Right.
about, and it's exciting. It's a really exciting space. So
You're glad.
I'm lucky. I'm kind of behind the scenes, and I kind of know some of the things you're working on, and I'm really excited. But what I'm even more excited about is our latest feature, which is generative AI
Hmm.
and a generative AI clothing on the avatars. And this is a first in the industry because no one else offers this. With the chat GPT prompts. And I feel like we're incredibly lucky that you're going to walk us through the entire process to show users how easy it is to customize their avatars for their business, for their personal, whatever it is they're trying to do. So,
Hmm.
are you ready?
Of course. Yeah,
Let's
let
do
me
it.
start sharing my screen with everyone here, and I'll walk
Great.
people through this exciting feature. Great. Can you guys all see my screen?
I can see it.
Great. So I'll navigate here. So a little bit background about generative AI outfit. So many of our other customers know that we have launched our Christmas avatar last
Mhm.
December, and
Yes.
along with lots of templates for Christmas style, and many people love that. Those avatars were actually our earliest attempt of AI generated outfit. So this Merry Christmas shirt for Jeremy, or
Hmm.
kind of Christmas styled kind of outfit, were all made with AI. And people love that. So we saw the opportunity, and many of our customers asking us, hey, how can I make an avatar in a different outfit? Because, in my use case, I need him to be either sporty or more professional, or in a special dress. So we've been exploring how generative AI can even do more for our avatars and our users. And
Great.
we've been working on that pretty hard. It's been like 3 months, actually 4 months after that, and we launched this first version of public available AI outfit like 2 weeks ago. I just created a few AI outfit avatars here, and all of them, I would say, really looks pretty amazing to even to myself. And I'm
They're
really
cool.
happy to walk you through how I create those AI outfits. So it's very simple. You got like a pretty big button here that says create AI outfit avatar. So once you come on
Okay.
here, um, you'll notice that there's kind of an AI called Jen that's welcoming us and asking us to select an avatar to dress up. So we are
Hmm.
providing this technology in this version for a couple of selected avatars from our side, but it'll expand. We'll also support this for custom avatar pros. Many of our customers are already super excited for that. And let me show you how it works. So it's basically a smart AI agent that can create any kind of styles for the avatar that you like. It can even understand what you're saying. So, for example, I can ask him, "Hey, what can you do?" It knows what it can do, and it'll give you recommendations when needed. So it's a very smart AI because it's powered
Awesome.
by GPT-4, which is like one of
Hmm.
the smartest AI in the world. So it's telling me, okay, he's a AI agent designed to assist with outfit. So I'll say, okay, what recommendations for my avatar outfit to have do you have? So you can even chat with him just to get better ideas of what kind of outfits you want. But you don't you don't have to. You can totally start with say, okay, I want a navy blue blazer, and it'll be doing the outfit for you. We also put some
Okay.
security measurement behind, so it won't create some kind of inappropriate content right there.
Hmm.
So
Perfect.
say when I say this, it's going to try to help me refine my prompt because that might be too vague, right? So he gave me a lot of suggestions. Let me see which one I
Okay.
like. Uh,
So the more detailed the prompt, the better or the closer you'll be to the actual outfit you may want, right?
yeah, usually yes. But our outfit currently only focus on the upper body part. So if you include lots of details, say about like pants or shoes, it won't work. It won't
Right.
really help too much. And you don't really need to try to be too specific about the prompts. That's kind of where it's different than the other, prompt-based AI interactions. People, prompt engineer the stuff on OpenAI or like the other products like Midjourney, but on our side, we just try to make the prompt interaction really easy for users. If you don't have a very specific idea, our AI will give you a better recommendation. But if you think that's what you need already, like you don't need to try to come up with some super, specific or never heard of keywords, try to make things right. It's really pretty okay, right? So now our AI is starting to try to create this blazer for us and see this is
Hmm.
pretty good. Like you can select anyone from those four and save them as your avatar. It's a totally free feature, so everyone can come here without paying anything. You can come here to play with the avatars and their outfits. So you can also
Great.
start with another avatar and try a different one, right? For example, if we go with Zoe and say I would like to, um, what's the word? Kimono, right? Dress with
Right.
cherry blossom patterns. So, for example, if I am making a video to introduce some tour sites of Japan or selling some Japanese style products, I wish to have
Hmm.
someone who is dressed in Japanese style, but ethnicity wise close to my target audience, which might be in the US or Europe. So it'll create an interesting, chemistry between my video and my audience. So that's where AI outfit comes really handy because you can basically create any kind of outfit depending on what kind of use case your video is for, and who your audience are, what kind of style they might be interested in. There's unlimited possibility for this, and we're expanding the
Amazing.
areas we're gonna be supporting. So it's very exciting. After we launched this product, like many of our customers have been super excited and reaching out to us, say, okay, can I do this? Can I do that? Can I have this for my avatar? And that all sorts kind of inquiries and excitement and lots of expectations about how it will continue to evolve. So this is only the first. Okay, here comes. So see, there's some kind of interesting Eastern Japanese style ish outfits for Zoe. I'm gonna
Oh, nice.
save this one. So yeah, after you have done with your AI outfit, it's going to be saved to your Avatar Pro, and you can check the details of the avatars. And I was creating all of these AI outfit. This was a kind of a punk girl. I was imagining I was creating like a video,
Hmm.
someone kind of gamified or punky or kind of rebellious outfit to do my video. So it was pretty good, right? And not only an
Yeah.
outfit, you can also say after you create one, this one's really beautiful. We like our team figured this out, and this is actually the preset avatar for everyone
Yeah.
when you sign up. I believe this one was made with like yeah, yellow and
Yeah.
blue dress with dragon pattern. So it's a very simple prompt. You don't need to have like super sophisticated prompts to get such great outfit. So after you make an outfit, you can totally kind of customize it further in terms of saving your customized avatar template, which is another feature we introduced. For example, you can select different view mode. You can even continue to customize your avatar using face swap. For example, I want her to look more Asian or Japanese-ish. I can find an Asian face or generate Asian face and swap it here. We can also find another voice, maybe like a more Japanese voice or even an Asian voice to her.
Hmm.
And once everything's set, we'll say maybe like Monica in Asian style. Now we can save this as a template. So it'll be very convenient for people to use. So whenever you create such series of videos, in your video creation experience, you can just go to your customized avatar template to use it. So
Mhm.
you don't need to change anything at all regarding the avatar. So
That's
it's very
amazing.
it's very creative. It's there's no limit in terms of the possibilities, and it's also paired with some extra functions like avatar template and video template. So it's going to totally unblock, I would say, unleash people's imagination or creativity in terms of what kind of videos they can make. And this is only the first productized version of AI outfit. I made a video using an outfit. I'll just play it here for people. I was coming
Okay.
up with the scripts. Yeah, so it's pretty good, I would say. Yeah,
Okay.
the clothes even moves as the avatar move, right? And there's like texture,
Yeah.
animation, things like that. So everything is super realistic. You can even come up with some really creative, like fashion show outfits and things like that. Some of our teammates have done that, which is also very interesting. So a little bit more context on this is that this is the first version. We are continuing to work on it and improvement for even more exciting possibilities based on our customer feedback, which we always do. One of the exciting stuff that's going to come is that we will support customers to not only generate whatever outfit they want, but also put their company logo or their team branding onto the outfit without any modification. So basically, you can have like a branded avatar with your
Mhm.
desired outfit with your company name or logo on the shirt or on whatever outfit you generate, and use that for your video creation. It'll be basically hiring a professional actor, even ordering him or her like a branded outfit dress. Everything is going to be uh, for the good of your company, your team, your brand. That's the first step. The next step would be if, say, you have like a desired outfit somewhere already on the internet, maybe a photo of your teammate,
Yeah.
like even like a dress that you wanted to buy but you haven't because it's kind of expensive. We're trying to make you just like share the image with us, and our AI will put on the dress onto your avatar, and you can see your avatar dressed up your desired outfit and be speaking with or without your company logo directly. So there's lots of exciting more stuff, possibilities coming very soon. So I hope everyone stay tuned and play with this. It's a free feature. You don't need to pay anything. And also give us feedback in terms of how you like it. What else do you think should be there? Right. So
Yeah, I love
quick walkthrough
I
of this.
oh, sorry.
No, no, that's
I love
yeah.
that this feature is available to everyone, and it's a free feature. And again, please share your feedback. We want all the feedback, positive and negative, so that we can, create a better product. It's really, really important, the feedback.
Hmm.
Did you want to show us something else? I'm
Nope,
sorry.
that's the main topic today. AI outfit plus how you can use it with avatar and how the video will look like, right? And I would say I am only showing like a tiny bit of all the possibilities that's out there. You can imagine how creative our users can get and what kind of amazing videos they have been creating. So please just log on to HeyGen and try out your creativity. It's a free feature. There's no limit. Just like enjoying it.
Yeah. Um, that's really exciting. And actually, one of our power users, he
Hmm.
just posted a message. He's like, "Logo team branding outstanding." And he is like one of our moderators, admins in our group, a power user who's always helping people. So that's really, really, exciting that someone who uses the product that much is so excited about it. And
Hmm.
Veronica loved the rock outfit. I kind of loved it too.
Yeah, me too. Yeah,
Good
I
creation
was
there.
amazed by that. I
Yeah.
was just trying to make a punk girl. It came out really good.
Yeah, it was really cute. I loved it. Yeah, it's adorable. Okay, here's our first question. We are going to start taking questions from anyone that has any questions. If there's product questions, this is certainly the person to ask. He
Mhm.
knows everything about it. Our first question: does your team plan to apply this feature to custom avatars?
Yes, exactly. So actually, let me also put up the question on the screen so people can see. It's
Okay.
actually already supported for custom avatar pros. The only issue is that it's a newer generation of avatar technology, so it won't be directly applicable to previously made avatars. Our team will put out like a guideline of how you can prepare and custom avatar pro that will support AI outfit. Right. So
Okay.
it's doable, it's supported, and many of our customers are looking forward to that already. If any question, also feel free to reach out to custom dash avatar at HeyGen.com to get in touch with our avatar team directly. We'll be putting out that instruction on our avatar introduction page very soon, and I really look forward to see how many exciting custom avatars with custom outfit now will be there, right?
Exactly. And someone else asked, will you be adding Bill to the AI outfit? That avatar Bill?
Yep,
Yeah.
like the gentleman, old gentleman bill, right? So we're
Yeah.
working on to kind of upgrade all of our public avatars, batch after batch. Bill is one of them, and each one of them have their special, style or animation. So it can sometimes it depends. I'm not sure about this point of where which batch Bill is in, but I'll get back to the team and double check on that. So usually it should work, right?
Okay. And our next question, do you support this feature for full body avatars?
Let me see where's the question. Let me put it up. I see. So currently it's only for the upper body part. So even you have a full body avatar, when you do an outfit, it'll be applied to the close-up view. But we are expanding such technology. Actually, all of our technology from upper body to the full body. As some people might have noticed that our technology has a direction of evolution. We started focusing on the face area to try to make sure that people's lip syncing, their facial expression are good, are also diverse and customizable. That's why we introduced face swap in the early time. And when the face is good, we expand to upper body part like outfits and potentially gesture controls, things like that. And we're also
Mhm.
continue to expand this into like the full body, definitely, right? It's definitely doable in the future. We're going and we're getting closer.
Great. Um, I think that that is it as far as questions right now.
Mhm.
Of course, if anyone has any questions, you can always reach out to the customer support team. It's contact@heygen.com.
Mhm.
If for whatever reason you forget that, you can reach out on social media. We're on Twitter, YouTube. We have a private Facebook group. If you're not a member of it, please join it. We have a public Facebook page, Instagram, TikTok. We have everything. So please reach out with any questions you might have. You'll get me, and I'm happy to forward them to the team and follow up and make sure everything gets handled. So thanks so much, Wayne. You're awesome.
Thank
Thank you so
you,
much.
Kate. Thank you, everyone here. And also, I want to thank every audience who's coming here today. It's a really exciting feature, and your time is also very valuable. So I would hope you guys all give it a try. Thanks so much for your comments and questions. And if any question regarding the product, shall you have any problem or feedback or suggestion or idea, feel free to reach out to me directly. It's just wayne@heygen.com. I'll personally respond to you. And I always would love to hear from you guys. Definitely. That's how we've been building products.
That's awesome. Yeah, I mean, that connection with the customer is so important when you're building a product, and
Mhm.
it's great that you're so accessible. That's amazing.
Mhm.
So, thank you everyone for attending. We do appreciate you taking time out of your busy schedule. If you missed anything or if you want to see a replay, this will be available on YouTube. And thank you.
Thank
Have a
you.
good
Have a good
day,
day
good
there.
week,
Bye bye.
and we will see you again next week.
Bye bye.
Bye.